Hello guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you some little look of new Google News. Over here, this is the application you always see on your mobile, so I'm gonna little explain you about it. So guys, as you can see over here, the latest news for you. If you are interested to read some news or articles, you can use this. You can also see over here the weather right over here, and you can see all the news, and you can see over here headlines following, and you can see over here news status. You can find whatever you like the news, and over here you can search any topic. Let's go for FP. What we found, any news, whatever you want to see and read. If you're interested in news, no need to have a newspaper, so you can find so many news over here. So guys, only you have to sign in sometimes also. So guys, it's nothing more in this app for if you are someone who likes to read newspaper, so you can definitely use this. So guys, that's all in this small video. I hope you enjoy. If you do, so leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye friends.